So, I am ready. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
We have our marshmallows. I'm gonna cut my marshmallows. So, I think I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna-
use marshmallow.
I'm gonna play something now.
I'm gonna use marshmallow for my foundation primarily and my eyeshadow. So, I think I'm gonna do 2 triangles and that should do it. Hey, it cuts really nice.
Yeah.
I feel like a dim sum cutter.
I love it when they cut my dim sum.
Oh my god, I haven't had dim sum in so long. Now I want dim sum right now. I should get it tomorrow. Should we get it tomorrow? Ah, that's so satisfying. Watch.
Wow.
Don't you love when sticky things come apart? Yes. No, I kind of want to eat it.
You can.
Wow,
have a
it
little
smells
bit.
so good. Oh, it's really sticky. This will be...
Just don't use the sticky side because
Yeah.
there's powder outside. That's why it's like.
There's powder.
Oh, I have a good idea for you. Just powder it.
Yeah.
It's here.
The first thing I'm going to do is powder my marshmallow a little bit.
So I'm just priming my face with Professional. Oh my god.
Ah! Okay. Alright, I'm putting the Professional onto the marshmallow.
Wow,
Just
even
gonna
even Professional.
I'm gonna smear the Professional a little bit on top of the marshmallow. And then I'm
Show
gonna...
them close up.
And then I'm just gonna put it on my nose. And my forehead. Put there.
Wow, it actually covers. You don't need mirror. Wow, it looks so good. You look like you already have foundation on.
This is Beauty Blender madness! Thank you, Kraft Marshmallows.
I am not going to cut mine because I just like how to. I like it that I can hold it like this.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Hello Flawless foundation, powder foundation in shade Petal because I never settle. It's from Benefit.
Hello, Petal, cause you never settle. What else am I gonna use? Oh, I guess don't need
I
that.
guess I'm gonna do this side. Oh my god.
I'm
Oh my god, it fits perfectly.
That's so cute. Oh
my god, it looks like it's toasted.
I need to do foundation, I guess, right? Yeah, I'll do foundation now. Alright, I'm gonna use E.L.F. Anti-Acne Foundation. This is E.L.F.'s really affordable foundation. It's like $6 and it has salicylic acid in it. I'm trying not to do my lisp by keeping my teeth closed like this. But usually if I'm lazy, I just start to go like this. And then I use the roof of my mouth to make my S sounds. I don't know. It's been a gay problem since like 4th grade.
How is it gay?
How is a lisp gay?
I mean, the problem.
It's like the #1 stereotype of gays is that we have a lisp.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. What?
I don't know what to say.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put my foundation on my hand. And then I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Blender / marshmallow. It works so well.
Let me see. Wow. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
On Instagram, there's a girl who smashes her face in bread.
Oh yeah, it feels that way. Honestly, things are getting a little messy and I feel like I don't even want to have my hat on anymore.
Me too. It's like, I cannot get my forehead. So, I feel right now my complexion looks good, but on my nose it's kind of dry, but it's not because of marshmallow.
I feel like it's hard to blend with the marshmallow, like it's not spreading super well. Because the marshmallow's getting a little sticky.
For me, I think it looks a little bit pale because of the white powder of marshmallow.
I think the marshmallow is gonna cause acne.
You look tanned. Let me see. You look great, actually. Like, yeah.
Hi, E.L.F. Hi, Marshmallow. Like, was I just at the beach? Was I in LA? Maybe. Or maybe it's E.L.F.
It must be E.L.F. So what should I do next?
Do I have enough foundation on everywhere?
You look like, honestly, you don't look like you have foundation on. You just look tanned. And like healthy, tanned, and a little bit moist.
So moist.
And just like really hydrated and actually
Thank
also
you.
glowing.
Okay, so I don't need any more.
Yeah.
I'm glowing and I look moisturized. And wow, those were such nice compliments. Today I'm trying for the first time Benefit's Under Eye Concealer, and this is called Boing.
Boing!
I love this concealer already because it has
so cute.
Yeah. And it has this moisturizing ring around it.
Just like
So,
gel.
Yeah. I'm not gonna use the marshmallow for this because I just wanna like and see what happens, and then maybe the marshmallow to blend.
Yeah.
If I need it.
I already have powder on, so I cannot use that.
Wow. It really glides on nicely.
It's so brightening. Wow. It looks like the perfect shade for you.
I'm not one of those crazy people with the concealer that just goes like down and like huge big triangle. I'm more about just like
Cover what you need to cover.
yeah, like spot treating.
So far, I think using marshmallow is fun. The application is easy because the area is really big and it's firm. But because it's really firm, it's hard to get in like under my eye. Because it's kind of hard, to be honest.
I mean, honestly, it does a really
Wow,
good job blending.
So good! It's so flawless!
Like, what's going on, Marshmallow?
Oh my god, it looks so good. I don't even think it looked this good with a beauty blender.
Right?
Yeah. It looks.
I am shook.
It looks like you didn't have.
What?
It didn't. You look like you didn't have concealer on. Like you didn't.
I've
look
never
great.
had makeup application this good. Like, it really is working
Oh
so
my god!
well.
I'm so shocked.
What is going on?
And you look like youthful, awake, and just.
Do I look 35? No. Thank you, Kraft Marshmallow makeup applicators.
I would think you look like 27, just a year older than me.
If I were Kraft, I would just market these as instant throwaway makeup applicators.
And you know how makeup sponges are always triangle too?
Yes.
Yes, go Kraft.
And when you're done, you just eat your makeup.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm so shook.
Shooketh. Oh. Wow. Okay.
Oh wow. I think I just put too much bronzer on my face.
Thank you, Marshmallow. Okay. Ooh, how's your bronzer going?
Just okay. This side is a bit much.
I think it looks good. Plus, we're going to a tiki bar later, so like, the lighting in there is gonna be dark, so it's good to go strong.
Yeah, we're going to the tiki bar. New? Is it new?
Pretty new.
It's in a Tenderloin. Yeah.
I'm gonna start with my fresh marshmallow triangle, and the first thing I'm gonna do is kind of cover my eye in this very plain tan color here. I'm gonna go in with the color Drive. Once again, the marshmallow has created the best
Oh my god, it
application
looks
I've
so
ever
good.
had.
It looks so natural.
What is this?
It looks so natural. I'm so shocked. Wait, what color are you using?
Drive.
Wow.
Like, people are gonna see this video and copy us, you know, and get millions of views. But
What?
let me just say, we're the fucking original on this one. We have to
Yeah.
be, right?
Yeah.
I bet people have done marshmallow before, but...
I don't know. I never searched. So I'm going to say that I think...
Wow!
What? You look so blended without even blending it. Wow. So I feel like people are secretly gonna go out or like go to work, doing makeup with your marshmallow. First, I love your eyeshadow palette. The colors are
Going in with this dark color called Stylin'. And I'm gonna go into my eyelid crease here and see how that goes. Oh, not well.
Let me see.
Because it's really big. I'm gonna...
You have some fallout. Well, I'm sure you can get fallout. We'll just blend it. Make it into a smoky eye.
Honestly, it blends so well that it's not even a problem.
I'm gonna use bronzer as my eyeshadow primer. So far, I look amazing.
Okay, so I did some setting powder. This is a cream to powder blush and lip tint, which I should have used before, but I'm gonna...
So cute. Oh, you got it from Sephora, right? So cute. I love it. It looks so
Go ahead
good.
and put that on. And just blend it out a little bit with a little
I
marshmallow.
have to contour my nose.
Tonight I'm not gonna contour, I'm just letting my facial hair kind of do the job of creating a little bit of a jawline for myself. If you're ever tired and hungover, this is my little secret. This is the Tarte Inner Rim Liner, and I just like, it's like kind of a peachy skin color, and I go in under here, and it just like makes your eyes look so open. I'm gonna do my brows now, again using an E.L.F product. This is the E.L.F brow pencil. I love it. It has the double side zhuzher and the pencil cream on this side. How you doing, baby?
Great. I just put the blush on. Honestly, I have to say, so far it's been working really well. Marshmallows fits my face like a glove.
Yeah.
Wait, do you put glove on your face? So the first time when you knew that you can use makeup to change part of your facial features, which part did you feel the most excited about?
I think the thing that made me the most excited, actually, looking back on it, would be curling my eyelashes and then doing mascara.
Wow.
Because it really, like, opens your eyes and makes you look so, like, awake and fresh. And I just didn't really realize, I didn't know or realize that until, like, the past few years. But, you know, like in high school and stuff, I would use, like, tinted moisturizer or whatever and be excited about it, but this is kind of a cream to powdery thing, I think.
Since when did you start watching YouTube?
The first time I watched anything on YouTube was...
This is really hard.
like when YouTube, I don't know, the early days. This has a sponge on the other side to help you kind of blend it. The packaging for this is great. Looking good, baby. Wow, you did eyeliner?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Didn't really do a winged, just a line.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm really excited. I'm gonna try a new lip product. This is Punch Pop from Benefit, and it is a liquid lip color. It's a liquid lip gloss. So super excited about it. Punch Pop.
The name is so cute.
Oh, it has like a doe foot applicator. It's called a doe foot.
How did you know?
Tarte.
Oh. Thanks, Tati.
Okay, this is really colorful and really glossy. Look.
Wow! It's like you just had...
And it's pretty easy to apply with precision using this applicator.
It looks so cute.
What?
It looks so funny.
Let me see. Wow, so bold.
They look really juicy.
That's part of it. It says punchy, juicy, bright, and bold. You look juicy, punchy, bright, and bold.
Yeah.
I like it. It's fun.
I think it
Just
looks
for fun.
It looks like it's for teenagers.
Yeah. Well, look at the packaging.
Okay. Let's rub our lips.
Wow. This has been really fun. I love doing marshmallows. I love doing makeup with my baby.
I love doing makeup with you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Oh,
Let's take a selfie.
okay.
Perfect.
Do I need more makeup? Do I have enough on? I feel like I need more. Oh well.
I think you can always do a touch-up later, but for now you look great.
You look great too. And a lot of eyeliner just draws me right into those eyes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I never really do liquid eyeliner.
Mm.
I like this pen. Oh, it's from Tarte.
We did a lot of Tarte, a lot of Benefit, a lot of It Cosmetics, a lot of E.L.F. tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's make dinner.
Should we eat this? This one's good.
Girl, no.
Oh, okay, because
That's my beauty blender.
Yeah, you're using it tomorrow. Oh my god, let's look at our beauty blenders.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys.
Might look like chocolate flavors. So.
I'm gonna grab the camera and show them this table, which is so embarrassing.
Okay, it's not that bad.
Oh my god. This is what it really looks like. There's like a mess, wine, water, marshmallows, makeup, 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 makeup. Holy crap. How much do you love all of these products? All of this makeup?
I love them.
I want to eat it. I want to like lay in a bathtub full of it. Let's see.
Hey.
Close up. Yes. Oh, pretty. So pretty. Noodles and salmon and veggies.
Get your protein, get your veggie.
Yeah.